Biography of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, Supreme Leader of the Islamic Republic of Iran. Introduction. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei is one of the most influential political and religious figures in the Middle East. As the supreme leader of Iran since 1989, he has shaped the country's political system, foreign policy, religious discourse, and cultural direction for more than 3 decades. His life story is closely connected with Iran's modern history, especially the Islamic Revolution, the Iran-Iraq War, and Iran's ongoing tensions with global powers. This biography explores his early life, education, revolutionary activities, presidency, rise to supreme leadership, ideology, leadership style, controversies, and legacy. Early life and family background, 1959 to 1958. Ali Khamenei was born on April 19, 1939, in the holy city of Mashhad, located in northeastern Iran. Mashhad is home to the sacred shrine of Imam Reza, making it a major center of Shia religious learning and pilgrimage. He was born into a poor but deeply religious family. His father, Sayyid Jawad Khamenei, was a respected Shia cleric known for his piety and simple lifestyle. Despite his religious knowledge, the family lived modestly, and young Ali experienced hardship from an early age. These early struggles shaped his worldview, teaching him discipline, humility, and sympathy for the poor. Religious education and intellectual formation, 1958 to 1963. From childhood, Ali Khamenei studied Islamic subjects such as Quranic interpretation, tafsir, Arabic grammar, Islamic jurisprudence, fiqh, logic, and philosophy. He later traveled to Qom, Iran's most important Shia seminary city. There, he studied under several prominent scholars, including Ruhollah Khomeini, whose ideas would profoundly influence him. Khamenei was also intellectually curious beyond theology. He read Persian poetry, Russian literature, and Western philosophy, and later translated works into Persian, showing a rare blend of religious and cultural interests. Political awakening and opposition to the Shah, 1963 to 1978. During the reign of Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi, Iran was ruled by a pro-Western monarchy. Many religious scholars opposed the Shah's policies, accusing him of suppressing Islam, promoting Westernization, supporting foreign domination. Ali Khamenei became actively involved in revolutionary circles. He gave underground speeches, distributed banned religious literature, organized resistance networks. As a result, he was arrested multiple times by the Shah's secret police, Savak. He was imprisoned, interrogated, and exiled within Iran. These years transformed him from a quiet scholar into a committed revolutionary. The Islamic Revolution of 1979. In 1979, mass protests led to the collapse of the monarchy. Iranian Revolution brought Ayatollah Khomeini to power and established the Islamic Republic of Iran. Ali Khamenei emerged as a trusted lieutenant of Khomeini. He played key roles in revolutionary committees, ideological education, building the new Islamic State. Early leadership roles after the revolution, 1979 to 1981. After the revolution, Iran faced chaos, internal conflict, and foreign threats. Khamenei held several important positions: Deputy Minister of Defense, member of the Revolutionary Council, Tehran Friday prayer leader, a powerful platform. His speeches emphasized Islamic unity, resistance to Western influence, loyalty to revolutionary values. Assassination attempt, 1981. In June 1981, during a public speech in Tehran, a bomb hidden in a tape recorder exploded. Khamenei survived but suffered permanent injuries, losing much use of his right arm. This event strengthened his revolutionary image, increased public sympathy, reinforced his belief in sacrifice and struggle. Presidency of Iran, 1981 to 1989. Later in 1981, Ali Khamenei was elected president of Iran, serving 2 consecutive terms. Key challenges during his presidency: Iran-Iraq War, a devastating war that caused massive casualties and economic destruction. Political rivalry with then Prime Minister Mir Hossein Mossadegh. Managing post-revolutionary instability. Although real power rested with Ayatollah Khomeini, Khamenei gained valuable experience in governance, diplomacy, and military affairs. Becoming supreme leader, 1989. In 1989, Ayatollah Khomeini died. The Assembly of Experts selected Ali Khamenei as the supreme leader, even though he was not yet a grand Ayatollah. This decision reshaped Iran's leadership structure. Over time, he consolidated authority, strengthened the role of the supreme leader, expanded influence over military and judiciary institutions. Ideology and worldview. Khamenei's ideology combines Shia Islam, anti-imperialism, Iranian nationalism. Core beliefs: opposition to U.S. and Israeli influence, support for resistance axis, emphasis on Islamic morality, rejection of Western cultural dominance. He frequently warns against what he calls cultural invasion from the West. Foreign policy and global influence. Under his leadership, Iran has supported Hezbollah, backed the Syrian government during the civil war,
Opposed U.S. presence in the Middle East. Relations with U.S. hostile. Israel openly adversarial. Russia and China strategic cooperation. Nuclear program and sanctions. Khamenei supports Iran's nuclear program for peaceful purposes while rejecting nuclear weapons on religious grounds. A fatwa. International sanctions have damaged Iran's economy, increased inflation and unemployment, fueled domestic protests. Internal politics and controversies. He has faced controversies for limiting political freedoms, suppressing protests, 2009, 2019, 2022, controlling media and elections. Supporters see him as protector of Iran's sovereignty, defender of Islam. Critics view him as authoritarian, resistant to reform. Personal life and character. Simple lifestyle, married with children, lover of poetry and Persian literature. Translated works of Leo Tolstoy and others. He avoids luxury and emphasizes modesty, consistent with his religious image. Legacy and historical significance. After more than 35 years as supreme leader, Ali Khamenei's legacy is undeniable. He has maintained regime stability, positioned Iran as a regional power, deeply influenced Shia political thought. History will judge him as a revolutionary survivor, a powerful theocratic leader, a central figure in modern Middle Eastern politics.